Welcome to our channel Quaint Cosmos. Question is, can AI read your mind? AI means artificial intelligence. This is known to you. So the question is, can AI read your mind? Is it still a science fiction or has it already become the reality? So answer to this question is no. This is no more science fiction. This has already become reality. This has already become a reality. So to what extent? Next question is, to what extent this has become the reality? So if you want to know the answer in terms of percentage, then you can say easily that 70%, 80%. Yes. Science is saying that 70%, 80% success already scientists have got. So what is actually mind reading? Next question is, what is mind reading? Whatever you are thinking, that can be known by the machines. Is that so? No, not exactly that one. Maybe in future that also would become possible, but in the future. But at present, not word for word. Say you are using a sentence, you are thinking a sentence, a long sentence. Okay, you are thinking about a long sentence. So exactly that sentence can be known by the machine? No, not that, exactly not that sentence, but the actual meaning of the sentence can be known by the machine. Machine means here I am talking about AI machines, AI technologies, artificial intelligence technologies. Okay, for example, give me a glass of water. I am thinking like this. I am not speaking this sentence. I am just thinking, give me a glass of water. And the AI systems has become so smart. AI systems have become so smart that they can easily recognize the brain pattern and can translate the same thing in words or in text. So, give me a glass of water, maybe by the AI machines, that means their output will be like, I need a glass of water or I need water. So, meaning remain the same, you can see. Meaning remain the same, but sentences are different. So, that's why I said in the very beginning that word for word translation, no, that is not the aim at present. Okay. So this is called mind reading by AI machines. Okay. So that means machines have become able to know your thoughts. So how is this possible? So you have some idea about artificial intelligence. Okay, you have some idea. Next thing is how brain activities are known. So fMRI technique is there. fMRI means this is a kind of medical imaging technique, means functional magnetic resonance imaging. Then EEG is there. Double EG means electroencephalography. So these devices are used to know your brain signals. Because whenever we think, speak, see something, or imagine something, so in that case what happens, some brain activities are there and those things can be known by using these scans, fMRI and EEG. So those signals are captured by those machines, fMRI and EEG, and those things are combined with artificial intelligence. Machine learning algorithms are there. Okay. And they are trained. Machine learning algorithms means, just leave this word, this term, machine learning algorithm, better to say AI here only. Okay, artificial intelligence. So those fMRI and EEG data, they are combined with artificial intelligence. And artificial intelligence, these systems have already been trained. When you are thinking this one, then your brain pattern becomes this one. When you are thinking that one, your brain pattern becomes that one. So that way they are trained. AI models. And once they are fully trained, then they use the same stored knowledge, the same stored information to recognize your thinking pattern or whatever you are imagining. Okay, they use the same thing. So this is the way AI machines are trained. This is the way. So first of all, what is the requirement? Requirement is to use fMRI and EEG scans. Okay, those things are, first of all, those are required. Anyway, and you know, whenever our brain becomes active in some regions, in that case, electrical signals are there, then chemical signals are there. Actually, those signals are detected by the fMRI and EEG scans. Anyway, so I was talking about what? So already people have, scientists have got success in this field to some extent, okay, 70%, 80% like that, but not exactly 100%. Like for example, University of Texas at Austin, they have already got success in this field. I was talking about an example, give me a glass of water, maybe translated by the machine, I need a glass of water, or I need water, like that. Almost same, meaning remain the same, words are changing here. There is a minor change in the words. Anyway, so same thing they have got, University of Texas at Austin, they have got the same thing in 2023, just 2 years back. Okay, the subject is asked to think about something or imagine something. And the same thing was detected by the system. Again, Elon Musk Neuralink is there. They are trying to implement chips in your brain. Elon Musk's Neuralink. What is the purpose of integrating or implementing chip in your brains? Purpose is to use that chip, use that system to control the devices without moving your hands, just by using your thoughts. Just by your thoughts, just by your mind, you can control everything. You can control smartphones, you can control doors, you just open the door, you shut the door, you can control driving, you can control lights. Okay, many things can be controlled just by using your thoughts or your mind. So that's why they are working on this field, Elon Musk's Neuralink. So they are doing what? They are implementing a chip. Their researchers are working on this. They are just trying to implement a chip in your brain so that your mind can be used or your thoughts can be used to control everything. That is their purpose. Again, Meta, parent company of Facebook. Meta Plus UC, San Francisco. They are trying to, they are working for the people who are actually disabled, who cannot speak. Different problems are there, neurological problems are there, like stroke, ALS, paralysis. Okay, so for such cases they can't speak. So that they can communicate. Purpose is so that they can't speak. Even we want to communicate with them, they can communicate their thoughts with other people according to their requirements. That means everything is going on their mind. Everything is going in their mind. So since they can't speak, that means what is the purpose? They can't speak, but we want to know whatever they are thinking, whatever brain activity is going on. Okay, so we want to know all these things. So same thing, on this same thing, Meta plus UC San Francisco, they are working. In that case, what will happen? In that case, actually they have got some success in this field. In that case, their thoughts will be translated into words or texts. and those words or texts can be used by machines to produce voice. Okay, so that it will be like they are actually talking, they are actually speaking. Okay, their thoughts will be translated by the machines into words or text, and those words and texts will be used by the machines to create or generate voice. This is the technology. And behind all these things, what is there? Biology is there, mathematics is there, computation is there. Or you can say this way, behind all these things, artificial intelligence is there, then fMRI is there, EEG is there. By the combination of all these things, today's technology has become possible. So very soon we are going to see these things. But we know, you know that with a great power, so this is no doubt a great power. But whenever great power comes, with that ethical concerns also come. So serious ethical concerns are there, such as who owns your brain data? That is a big question. Who owns your brain data? Is there any chance that corporations or governments will misuse your data, will misuse your brain data, or will misuse your thoughts just by knowing thoughts by using machines? Is there any chance? Is there any chance that your thoughts or brain data could be hacked or manipulated? So many ethical concerns are there, so many questions are there. So that for that purpose, scientists and ethicists, they are working on this. Means they need to frame different rules and regulations behind this technology. Anyway, matter of discussion is not this one actually, ethical concerns, but this is no doubt a serious issue. But in this video, this is not important. In this video, what was the important? How this technology actually works. That was the main theme of this video, okay? But ethical concerns, those are no doubt very serious issue. In a separate video, I'll discuss all those things. So, what was the main theme of this video? What is the technology? And who are the people who have already got success in this field? So, I named only 3. Okay, there may be more than 3. I named what? Elon Musk's Neuralink, then Meta. It is this is a parent company of Facebook. Okay, Meta plus UC San Francisco. They are working on this, and the University of Texas at Austin. Okay, many institutions may be there who are working on the same thing. Anyway, so this was all about it, today's topic, and if you found this fascinating, so please like, share and subscribe to our channel. And this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.